Hi guys, my name is Shad. In this video we're going to create logical dimensions with ragged and skipped level hierarchies. Go to the BI admin tool, open the BI sample repository in offline mode. In the physical layer, expand ORSCO. Right click on connection pool, then click import metadata. Leave the defaults and click next on this window. There we go. From this screen, under the data source view, expand the BI sample. Go ahead and select the sample products DR table. After you select it, click on the import selected button. The table is added to the repository view. Expand the BI sample. Here's the table. And now you can click on the finish button to close the select metadata object view. Confirm that the table is there in the physical layer. Now we need to create an alias for the table, same products DR. Right click on the table, go to new object, and then click alias. Name the alias D20 product. When done, go ahead and press OK. Minimize D20. Click on Tools, then update all row counts. Next thing we're going to do is to create the physical join for the alias table. Select D20 product alias and the F1 revenue alias. Right click, go to physical diagram and then click selected objects only. Click on the new join button. Now click on F1 revenue and drag to D20 product. The physical foreign key dialog box opens. On the left, select the product key column. Then on the right side, select also the product key column. Confirm the expression on the bottom, then click OK. Remember, you can auto layout your diagram by clicking here. Go ahead and close the physical diagram. Let's right click on D20 product and click on view data. Here you will notice the skipped levels. For example, brand 2 doesn't have lines of business over here. Let's close the view data box. Next thing is to create the logical table and logical columns. Go ahead and drag the D20 product from physical layer to the sample cells in the BMM layer. A D20 product logical table is created. Also, the logical join is created automatically based on the physical join we created earlier. Go ahead and expand D20 product logical table. Select all the columns in it. Right click on them. Then click on rename wizard. In the wizard, select all text lowercase and then click the add button. Select also change each occurrence of underscore into space and also first letter of each word capital. Click next and review the changes. Press finish when done. Now let's do it the other way. Right click on LOB and then click on rename. Type LOB with all capital letters. Change product DSC to just product. There we go. Right click product key, click on rename. Change name to product number. There we go. Rename column type to product type. Go ahead and expand the sources folder. Right click on D20 product logical table source. Rename it to LTS1 product in brackets right. When done, just press OK to close this dialog box. The next thing we're going to do is to create a right skip level logical dimension. Right click on D20 product logical table, go to create logical dimension and then click on dimension with level based hierarchy. The logical dimension D20 product DIM is created automatically. Rename this logical dimension to H20 product. There we go. Go ahead and double click on H20 product logical dimension. Check mark on ragged and skipped levels. Press OK to close the logical dimension dialog box. Right click on H20 product and then click on expand all. Now we're going to create the hierarchy. Right click on D20 product detail level. Go to new object and then click on parent level. Type product as the name of this logical level. Make sure support roll up to higher level of aggregation is checked and then click OK. Now right click on the product logical level. Create another parent level and name it product type. When done, click OK right here. Right click product type and create a parent level named product LOB. Click OK. Right click on product LOB logical level. Go to new object. Click on parent level. Type product brand as the name of the logical level. Click OK. Double click on D20 product total. Confirm that grand total is checked, then click OK. Expand all these logical levels. Drag brand column from the detail logical level to the product brand logical level. Then drag LOB column to product LOB logical level. Then product column to product logical level. Then product type column to product type logical level. The next thing we're going to do, guys, is to create logical level keys. Double click on the product brand logical level. Click on the keys tab. Type brand as the key name. On columns right here, click on drop down and then select brand. Click on the use for display checkbox. On the primary key, make sure brand is selected. Click OK to close the dialog box. Take note how the brand icon changed to show that it's now the logical level key. Right click on the LOB column, then click on new object level key. Confirm the column is LOB and the key will be used for display. Click OK to close the logical level key dialog box. Double click product LOB and confirm the configuration. If you double click product type level, you'll notice there are no specifications for the key yet. Click cancel to close this for now. Right click on product type column and click new logical level key. Confirm that product type is the column right here and use for display is checked. Then click OK. Right click product column and create a new key for it. Double click D20 product detail. Type product number as the key name. Confirm use for display is checked and then click OK. Go ahead and minimize the hierarchy and the logical dimension. Now we can create the presentation layer object. Click D20 product logical table and drag it to sample cells in the presentation layer. Rename D20 product to products in brackets right. There we go. Now go ahead and right click on sample cell subject area. In here, click on products right and then move it above the customers table. Click OK to confirm its position in the presentation layer. If you expand products right, you will notice that H20 products logical dimension has been automatically added to the presentation layer. Let's go ahead and save the repository. Check the global consistency for any warnings or errors. Seems I have an error here stating logical dimension table D20 product has a source LTS1 product right that does not join to any fact source. Let's close this box for now. Expand D20 product logical table. Expand also F1 revenue logical fact table. Expand source folder and double click LTS1 revenue. In here, go ahead and match the H20 product logical dimension with the D20 product detail logical level. Once done, click OK to close the dialog box. Now, if we save the repository and check consistency, the error should be cleared. As you can see, there are no more errors or violations. We are good to go. Just click OK. We can now test our work. From previous videos, you can learn how to upload the repository. Once the repository is loaded, we need to go into OBIEE Analytics. On the home page, click on Analysis. Select Sample Cell Subject Area. Expand the products, which is right table folder, and then select the brand column. Select also LOB and the product type column, and also the product column. Expand best facts and then select revenue column. Once done, click on results. The skip levels show nothing, and the right levels have leaves with different depth. That wraps the video for now, guys. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.